Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hola.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday. We wish you all the good health and more life as well, Auntie. Not only you, for Uncle as well, and the whole big family. And what else? More happiness. All right.
And
Okay,
this
Lance.
Louder, please.
Happy birthday, Grandma. And I hope you have a really good birthday. And my wish for you is to have a very good life. A long one.
And I love you,
And I
Grandma.
love you, Grandma.
Okay. Julius.
We love you.
Uns. Untong.
Maligayang kaarawan, Auntie. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na ito. Di lang ikaw, pati rin kami, masaya din.
Lahat masaya.
Auntie, best wishes for you and more good health. And ano pa nga ba? Wala na akong masabi, Auntie, kundi I love you na lang. Happy
Thank you.
birthday.
And thank you as
And
well.
thank you as well, Auntie.
Hi, Auntie. May your day be one of the best that you've ever had in your life. And because we know, Auntie, you deserve all the happiness in life. And Auntie, on this special day, we would like to say thank you for all your kindness to us. Sa mga advice niyo po sa amin. And those advice, Papa?
Advices.
Advices na lalo-lalo na po sa akin, Auntie, I can say that those advices na binigay niyo po sa akin, it made me a better person. Kung asan man po kami ngayon, Auntie, parte po kayo lahat ng mga experience po namin na lahat po ng mga pinagdaanan po namin, lahat po ng mga problema sa kasiyahan na tayo po ay sama-sama, Auntie.
And those advices, Auntie, some of those we shouldn't be, we may not be here without those advices.
Yeah,
Thank you,
that's
Auntie.
right. Thank you. And what else? So po namin malaman nyo, Auntie, na tinuring na po namin kayong pangalawang nanay po namin. And tatandaan ko pa po nga, Auntie, sabi nga nila anak niyo daw po ako kasi magkamukha tayo. Siyempre, beautiful. Of course. And yeah, Auntie, and ang wish po namin sa inyo, sana po ay bigyan pa po kayo ni Lord ng good health, Auntie, para magkakasama pa po tayo ng matagal-tagal. Pag nagbakasyon po kami, Auntie,
Mahaba-habang buhay.
mahaba-habang buhay, sorry, and ano pa dyan? Ananusam da papang, Auntie. Thank you, amin.
Mahaba-habang pasensya.
Pasensya. Kanyami, Auntie. Kun ni papang, nadaduma pasaway ni papang, Auntie. So nga, ananusan nyo latan. And yeah, Auntie. That's all. Thank you for everything, Auntie. And again, happy, happy, happy birthday. We love you so much.
Happy
One, two,
birthday
three.
to
1, 2, 3.
you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hep, hep.
Happy birthday to you.
Hep, hep. Happy
Happy birthday,
dear
dear
Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Hey!
Dang lechon!
Lechonan na!
We love you,
Happy birthday,
Auntie.